Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Vechain, guys. After a long time, I'm talking about Vechain price update. What's the price of Vechain? What's the price changes occur in the Vechain, and what is the price of future? As in the future, there is possibilities that the price of Vechain will pump or dump. Let me discuss this all thing in this video shortly. But guys, if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button for this kind of more news and update videos. And this time, guys, the current price of Vechain, as you can see, 0.133371 USD dollar is the current price of Vechain. Other side, you can see the last 1 hour update is positive 0.24%, last 1 day change is about negative 2.78%, and last 1 week changes is about positive 10.46%. guys, the changes is going unbelievable positive, but you have to, as you can see right now, the last 1 day changes of Vechain is negative. So a lot of people are not buying Vechain because they understand now they're in the fast. No, guys, that's wrong. I believe, guys, personally, that's my personally experience in the crypto market, that in the last of month and the beginning of month the price pumps. So as you can see, guys, as I told you, now just look here, the latest update of Vechain start pumps, and I believe that for long time they continue this pump. So on the basis of this update, I suggest for all of you guys that be alert. It's a profit time, it's holding time, so I recommend holding. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your price prediction about Vechain? Share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos. Thanks for watching.